Hey Chris, what's your position here?
Internet sales.
What's your favorite sales manager?
That would be Casey Horde.
Hey Casey, what's your position here?
Sales manager.
Who do you think knows most about the Lexus product?
Kelly.
What are you doing?
Oh, hey Kelly. Who's your favorite employee?
I'm not answering that.
Well, who do you think knows about the Lexus product the most?
Walt, for sure. Walt.
Hey Walt, who do you think is the most friendly service advisor?
Oh, without a doubt, that's Mike Massey.
Hey, what's your name?
It's Mike Massey.
What do you do here?
I'm a service advisor.
What's your favorite thing about the dealership?
Well, there are tons of things. I would probably definitely say the snacks in the lounge for sure. The snacks.
Hey, what do you have there?
Snacks.
Does Kelly know you have snacks?
They're for my customer.
Hey Brent, what's your position here?
New car manager,
What are you doing?
training a new hire.
Does Kelly know you're eating lunch in here?
What is this?